that we are going to use some tools to complete our activity, which is a scissor, you will need a wire cutter, you will need a simple cutter, some glue gun and glue sticks, and most important of all, one thing I didn't introduce in the beginning, that is this suction pipe. So in case if schools are not having this kind of a suction pipe with them, something like this, so what you can do is you can simply use a normal paper. You can use paper and you can make a roll of it. I'll show you one sample how you can do it. So in case if you have a paper, your any of your team member can simply roll the paper, you can tape it and we can put this in front of the bottle cap. Okay. Now we have talked about all the material, but one thing is left. That is something which is very important for making the structure of your DIY vacuum cleaner. Okay. So I think all the teams are ready with all this material. Okay. So anyone who is still missing out, I'll give you 10 more seconds to arrange for the things so that we can begin this activity. So I think we are done. Let's start doing our activity. So the very first step what we want to do, सबसे पहला step जो हम करने वाले हैं, it is going to be preparing the DIY vacuum cleaner structure, body of your vacuum cleaner. So for that you need a bottle. हम पहला स्टेप जो करने वाले हैं वो है हमारा DIY वैक्यूम क्लीनर की बॉडी बनाने का. सो उसके लिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं ये बॉटल और हमारी बॉटल काफी बड़ी है. सो यू कैन यूज अ 500 ml बॉटल, यू कैन यूज अ 750 ml बॉटल. जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है आप वो यूज कर सकते हो, इवन अ 1 liter वन. बट जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर फॉलोइंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस सो दैट यू कैन मेक इट प्रॉपरली. आप कोई सी भी बॉटल यूज कर सकते हैं, बट जिस स्टेप्स आप मेरे साथ फॉलो करेंगे तो इट विल बी इजी टू कंप्लीट द मॉडल. ओके, starting the first step, now we want to cut this bottle into two halves. I will be cutting the front part separately and I will be cutting the back part separately. If you all remember, my vacuum cleaner was having two parts, one and two, right? It was having three parts, but we are going to cut the bottle into two parts so that we can have this structure. So you will all need a cutter. Please use the cutters carefully and we will simply slide in the bottle. You will use the cutter like this and you are going to make cuts on the bottle. So you will remove the front part by cutting it completely and the back part also. So I am doing it. You all can do it with me. So we might take a little time to do this. So keep going everyone side by side with me. I am also doing it and you keep doing it. I will just have a look at the end. Once I'm done, I will look at yours also, whether you are done or not. आप मेरे साथ ही ये बॉटल इस तरीके से कट कर सकते हैं. बॉटल के हमारे पास दो पार्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं. आप सभी अपनी बॉटल को 2 pieces में कट कर लें. One important thing, see, my bottle is not even. So just make sure you have a even structure in the center so that you can join both the parts. So in case if your bottle is having elongated ends, अगर आपकी बॉटल के अंदर uneven shape है कुछ, तो आप इसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं. इस पार्ट को भी कट करके उसे थोड़ा सा साइज उसका रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. So this portion needs to be removed in case if the bottle is too long, and you can have a stable structure, the even one, all together with you. So I'm removing this part also to make it a little more even. Now we can use a scissor. No need to use a cutter again. You can use a scissor and you can simply just cut this out. Just make sure that it is even. प्लीज ध्यान रखें कि आपकी बॉटल जो है वो इवन हो, इवनली कट हो. इस तरीके से. Can we have a look at some of the schools who are doing this activity? I think we can have a look at Kendriya Vidyalaya, JNU, or Bal. Okay, this is Bal Bhavan Public School. Okay. I think we are not able to see the screen. Any other school which we can see? Can we spotlight and we can have a look at them? Very nice, very good. Baroda High School, very nice. I can see your bottles. Very nice, amazing. Bilaspur Incubation Center. Do we have the two parts of the bottle ready? Can you quickly show it to us like this on the camera?
Yes. Yes, we do
Very
have.
nice. Very nice. Okay.
The action. ACIC IIT. This is the Natal Incubation Community Innovation Center. And we have Atal Tinkering Lab students there together with the Incubation Center. Hello, everyone. We are from Jammu and Kashmir, Girls High School.
Oh, wow. Very nice. I think you all have done it. This is an easy part, so we have all done it.
400 students together tinkering. Okay.
Okay. So can we move ahead to the next step? I think I can see all the bottles ready. So let's move ahead with the next step and I will show you what next you need to do it. So you all can see my bottle. These two parts were there, but we need to make sure that the air should come out of this particular back area. Do you think if we are not going to have anything, we can simply make the circuit like this? We will fix the circuit and it will work. No, it is not going to work, everyone. So we have to make holes in the back part of the bottle. So you can use your soldering iron and you can make holes. So सब बच्चों को just दोबारा बताते हुए Okay. I think I will show the next step to them so that they can follow the instructions. So next step आप लोगों का ये है कि अब हमें इस बॉटल के बैक पार्ट के अंदर होल्स करने हैं क्योंकि हमारी एयर पीछे से नहीं निकल पाएगी अगर हम मोटर सर्किट को इसके अंदर ऐसे ही फिक्स कर देंगे. सो उसके लिए यू कैन यूज योर सोल्डरिंग आयरन. इट शुड बी हीटेड एंड हम बहुत जेंटली इसको प्रेस करेंगे और इसके अंदर होल्स क्रिएट करने शुरू करेंगे. इट शुड बी हीटेड एंड इफ यू कैन सी मैं इसमें होल्स कर रही हूं और ये इजीली हो पा रहे हैं. Everyone, please follow this instruction and start making holes at the back of your bottle with the help of the soldering iron. Make sure you're not hurting yourself. Be very careful and you can make multiple holes so that the air can come out easily out of your bottle. I think you all can see. You all can see it. Right? आप सब देख पा रहे होंगे कि मैंने कुछ होल्स कर दिए हैं. सेम वे में आप ये स्टेप कंप्लीट कर लें and then we will move to the next step. I think अभी भी बिलासपुर एक इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर में बॉटल की कटिंग चल रही है. That's really good. बाकी team members, you can start working on it. The others can start making the holes. Very nice. I can see that. That's really good to see all of you working. Amazing, everyone. This is what is tinkering, I think, all about. So if you are ready, can we move to the next step? I just quickly need a thumbs up so that we can proceed to the next one. Okay. Okay. Let's move ahead with the next step, which is we are going to use the motor. Okay. And we are going to create the circuit. This is the main part of our vacuum cleaner. This is the one who's going to work and make our vacuum cleaner work properly in the manner which we want it to. हम अब अपना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट करने वाले हैं हमारे इस एक्टिविटी का. हमने स्ट्रक्चर रेडी कर दिया, विच इज द फ्रंट एंड बैक पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉटल. अब हमें करना है इसके सर्किट को क्रिएट. सो वी नीड टू मेक दिस सर्किट नाउ. हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू मेक दिस सर्किट? You will use your motor, you will use the blades, you are going to use the battery and the snap wire, and with that we will be using the hook wires to make some connections. I hope this is enough. Is it okay, or is something missing in this material? To make a circuit, do you think something is missing? I think something is missing in this. That is, to make it turn it on and off, I can simply just connect wire and remove. Or should I put something in between? I think it will be very difficult to take up your answers, so I'll just tell you. We need a switch. So something like this. You all know that we have different types of switches available in the lab. So you just have to use a two-way switch, SPDT or SPST. This switch, you can be using it to make this circuit. How we are going to do it? Before we begin designing this circuit, I want you all to understand that very important thing. This motor should move in one particular direction, then only it will work as a vacuum cleaner. इससे पहले कि हम सर्किट बना लें, मैं आप सबको एक बार इंस्ट्रक्शन बहुत क्लियरली देना चाहूंगी कि हमें पहले मोटर की मूवमेंट को चेक करना पड़ेगा. तभी हम उसे श्योर कर पाएंगे या तभी हम कंफर्म कर पाएंगे कि ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर की तरह काम करेगा या नहीं. I believe there are two ways. The way you have your batteries and they have positive and negative terminal. Our motors are also having terminals. If you all can see on my camera, there are two terminals. The copper ones, if it is visible to all of you. So, but we need to check. Nothing is mentioned over here. Whether it is a positive terminal or a negative terminal, you will not be able to find out. जैसे आपकी बैटरी के अंदर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल हमारे होते हैं, उसी तरीके से मोटर के भी दो टर्मिनल्स होते हैं. बट इस पे कुछ भी लिखा नहीं होता है कि ये पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है. तो हम इसको क्विकली एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं कि मोटर का डायरेक्शन किस डायरेक्शन में हमें कनेक्ट करना है, जिससे कि वो मूव कर पाए और हमारे वैक्यूम क्लीनर के लिए काम कर पाए. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल कनेक्ट one terminal of the battery with the connector. I hope you all can see this. अब एक terminal के अंदर I have just slided my wire inside it and I have rolled it a little bit because I'm going to check it first. I'm not going to fix it right now. I'm going to just check it. I hope you will be able to see. On the other terminal, I am going to touch this red wire so that we can see in which direction the motor is moving. अब हमने ब्लैक वाली वायर को एक टर्मिनल में फिक्स कर लिया है और अब हम रेड वाली वायर को दूसरे टर्मिनल में फिक्स करने लगे हैं और फिर हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारी मोटर की मूवमेंट किस डायरेक्शन में हो रही है. बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू, हमें हमारी डायरेक्शन क्लॉकवाइज होनी चाहिए. हमारी मोटर की डायरेक्शन क्लॉकवाइज होनी चाहिए, तभी वो हमारे वैक्यूम क्लीनर की तरह काम करेगा. So the direction of the motor should be clockwise. If I'm showing it to you like this, so clockwise will be this direction or this direction. What do you think? It is going to be this direction. So we'll just quickly have a look whether it is working in the right direction or not. I think it is the opposite one, right? So we are going to fix it in the opposite way. Now You don't have to do anything. You will just reverse the terminals. आपको और कुछ नहीं करना. आप टर्मिनल्स चेंज कर दोगे जो हमने मोटर पे कनेक्ट करे थे. नेगेटिव को अब दूसरे वाले टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट कर दिया एंड पॉजिटिव को दूसरे वाले से. अब हमारी ये क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रही है मोटर. यू ऑल कैन सी दैट. अमेजिंग. सो अब इस सर्किट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें चाहिए था स्विच. हमने अपनी ली वायर और इसको हमने कनेक्ट कर दिया एक पार्ट को हमारे स्विच के टर्मिनल के साथ में. सिंपली यूज insulation tape if you do not have soldering iron. I will use soldering iron and I'll show it to you how to use it. But in case if you don't have, you all can use the insulation tapes to fix your terminals and connect these wires together. So I'm taking a small part of it. And I'm fixing it here with this terminal. अब आप एक एडिशनल हुक वायर लेंगे और अपने वायर कटर को यूज करते हुए आप इसको छोटा सा पीस इसका एक कट कर लेंगे. आई होप यू ऑल नो हाउ टू यूज अ वायर कटर. Simply, you have to just take care of this thing. There is a V shape which is there in between this thing. So you don't have to put your wire here. You have to put your wire here and you can simply press it. You will be able to cut your wire easily. And how to remove this red insulation? कट करने के लिए हम V शेप वाले उसमें नहीं डालेंगे. सिंपल पीछे प्लेन वाले एरिया में रख करके हम इसे कट कर सकते हैं. एंड अब वायर का इंसुलेशन रिमूव करने के लिए हम इसे वी शेप का जो आपका इसके अंदर आपके टूल में वायर स्ट्रिपर में आपको दिख रही है उसके अंदर आप इसे इंसर्ट करोगे, हल्का सा प्रेस करोगे एंड स्लाइड कर दोगे. आपकी वायर की इंसुलेशन रिमूव हो जाएगी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मेक दिस कनेक्शन लाइक दिस. हमारी स्विच का एक टर्मिनल अभी एम्प्टी था, उसको हमने किसी भी चीज से कनेक्ट नहीं किया था. सो हमने स्विच के टर्मिनल के अंदर उसको ऐड कर दिया एक में जिसमें कुछ भी फिक्स नहीं था. We can now add this wire to the other part of the switch and we can connect this to your motor. Just to make things easier, I will share my screen and I will show you a circuit so that you can follow the instructions and you can quickly make your circuit. Okay? I think you all can see my screen. Okay. So you all can see the circuit. On the screen, you can follow the instructions and you can simply make this circuit. Just remember, the motor should move in the clockwise direction. I think I can give you a little more time so that you can quickly make this circuit. Till then, I will just show you how you can connect the parts. Just do it quickly so that we can close this and move to the next step.
Neha, if we can stop the screen sharing, we can see what the schools are building right now. Would it
Sure,
possible?
sure. I will do
Have a
that.
look
Sure.
at how the schools are building the projects.
Yes, amazingly. We can do that. We can see that.
Paljor Girls School, Sikkim. Are you there? Hello, enjoying the tinkering? Excellent. Delhi Public School, Patna. I can see all the mess and chaos. That's the very good sign of tinkering lab. NK Orchid College has Atal Tinkering Lab students. It's a Sarthi cluster. Very good to see you all students. Busy in tinkering. Nagarjuna Model School, Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa. Hello, enjoying tinkering? Navrachna Vidyalaya, Gujarat. How is tinkering?
Yes. Hello, madam. We are from Orchid College of Engineering, and students are enjoying a lot with the DIY project. So we are the nodal center, and we have around 15 to 16 schools are arranging the session. Yes, and everyone are actively participating and enjoying the session, madam. Thank you so much for arranging such a session for the kids.
Excellent. Very good to see 15, 16 schools together in a cluster doing this tinkering activity. We can see the excitement and energy in that space. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Zilla Parishad School, Ravela. Hello, girls. PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya, Kargil, busy in tinkering.
So I think they are all ready with their circuit.
Yes, everybody's very
Yes, we can.
ADS Valley School also I can see very much actively tinkering.
Very nice. I can see. I can see your circuits working.
Great, great.
Great.
in PMC ZPHS Travala in Guntur district in Andhra Pradesh state. We are actively participating Mega Tinkering Day.
Very good. Good work.
Great. That's really good to know.
Schools, I want to tell everyone, this is really a very unique movement. We are doing this together. It's the largest such movement where all schools, around 10,000 schools are tinkering together right now as we speak in the same 1 hour. All of us are together creating an innovation project. This is very, very special. So I want to encourage all of you to make reels, share it on your Instagram handles, share it on your LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever social media you use, share it because we want to encourage the entire nation to tinker. You are the students who are going to inspire our entire country to tinker. Your parents, your friends, your families, everyone should tinker. So today you are starting a movement, and when you post this on your social media with the hashtag Mega Tinkering Day, hashtag Mega Tinkering Day, you will encourage millions of people, not just in India but outside India also, to innovate and to tinker. So सब बच्चों को स्कूलों को मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, आप लोग सोशल मीडिया यूज करते होंगे, अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे इसकी रील्स बनाए जो आप कर रहे हैं आज, जो टिंकरिंग कर रहे हैं वो पूरे देश के साथ, पूरे विश्व के साथ आप शेयर करें. आप ये बनाएं और उसका हैशटैग दें, हैशटैग मेगा टिंकरिंग डे. This is once in a lifetime movement. This is a very rare thing. ये बहुत बड़ा movement है. हम सब मिलकर एक साथ 4 लाख से ऊपर बच्चे और 10,000 के करीब स्कूल्स मिलकर ये कर रहे हैं. आप सबके साथ शेयर करें अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे। अभी रील्स बनाएं जो आप ये कर रहे हैं और उसको शेयर करें #मेगा टिंकरिंग डे। We'll come back to the activity. Over to you, Neha, for the next part of the project.
Thank you, Dipali. So we'll move ahead with the next step. I think you all have the circuit with you. Just check your circuit before we begin. Just quickly have a look whether it's working or not. एक बार जल्दी से चेक कर लें अगर वो वर्क कर रहा है clockwise direction में. So we are going to take it further. We will take the now next material to make the stand for this motor. अब हमें ये मोटर फिक्स करनी है हमारी बॉटल के अंदर. Do you think we can keep it inside? Just like that. What will happen? If I'll keep my motor just like that, it is going to wobble. अगर मैं अपनी मोटर को ऐसे ही बॉटल में रख देती हूँ वो वॉबल करने वाली है तो मुझे उसको इस तरीके से प्लेस करना है मेरी बॉटल के अंदर कि उसके ब्लेड्स जो हैं वो उसकी साइड्स को टच ना करें. So you all need to take care of this, that you need to place your motor inside the bottle in a way that it should not touch the sides of the bottle. The blades should not touch the sides of the bottle. So what are we going to do for that? I have a small idea like what we can use. You all have glue gun sticks, right? To make a stable stand for your motor, I'm going to use a small piece of glue gun stick. So you all can cut this. Slowly and gradually you can just slide this inside. Please take support of your mentors in case if you are unable to do it. But it is not that dangerous. You can do it, but do it very carefully. So we are going to cut this small piece of glue gun stick. I think you all can see that, right? So I have this piece. You all can cut it quickly, and then we are going to fix it inside like this at the stand of the motor. I will simply use a little bit of glue gun. And I'm going to fix it under my motor. Can you see the motor? उसके नीचे वाले पार्ट में हम इसे फिक्स कर सकते हैं. Can you make your motor stand like this? Now it is easy to fix it inside the bottle. If you have any other creative idea, you can do it. But I think this is the most stable and the easiest one which we can try. And we have to do this quickly because we have to complete this whole activity in 1 hour. So just do it quickly, baby. And I will just simply put a little bit more glue gun. हम थोड़ी सी और glue gun लगा के इसे ऐसे के अंदर fix कर देंगे. Make sure ये ज़्यादा पीछे की तरफ fix करना हो. आपको ये near by रखना है. आपके इस opening के लिए. पीछे वाले होल वो अलग है. But आपको इसको nearby to this opening you have to fix it. And one more important thing, the direction, the fan should face towards the back of your bottle. आपके जो ब्लेड्स हैं जब हम मोटर को प्लेस कर रहे हैं तो इसके ब्लेड्स हमारी बैकवर्ड पोजीशन के अंदर होने चाहिए. लाइक दिस. अगर आप फेस चेंज कर दोगे हमारे प्रोडक्ट का हमारे DIY वैक्यूम क्लीनर का मीनिंग चेंज हो जाएगा. फिर हमें उसे रीनेम करना पड़ेगा DIY ब्लोअर. So please make sure you are fixing this in the right direction. I hope you all can see. So in this way you have to fix it. Quickly do it and then we'll move to the next step. Along with this, you will fix your switch and your battery also outside. So for now we can remove the battery. इसे हम लास्ट में कनेक्ट कर देंगे and आप अपनी सर्किट को थोड़ा सा फिक्स कर सकते हो properly. आपके स्विच को और आपकी बैटरी कनेक्टर and later we will connect the battery testing it. So you can have it like this. I'm going to use a little bit of tape to fix this so that it is not coming in again and again. You all can do it in your own way. a colorful tape so that you all can see what exactly I'm putting things. मैंने कलरफुल टेप इसलिए यूज किया कि आप देख पाएंगे कि मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ. आप कोई भी कर सकते हो जो आपके पास अभी अवेलेबल है. आपकी जो वायर्स भी आ रही है वो फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं होगी. वी कैन सिंपली स्लाइड इट ओवर, उसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे और बॉडी बाहर वाले खोल लेंगे और उसको क्लियर कर लेंगे. Creativity is very important when we are doing any sort of DIY activity to make our productivity. So creativity के लिए you can use your own unique ideas and ideas to complete this. So we have the circuit fixed inside our board. I can see so many students who are working on it and who are doing it so nicely. That's amazing to see all of you working all together. If you all want to go ahead, if you want to go to the next step, please give me a thumbs up. We will show you the next step so that you can quickly wrap this up. So our bad part is ready. What was important for the DIY vacuum cleaner? The bad part is ready, but we need to work on the front, right? The dust collecting chamber and the suction pipe which we need to have it in the front. We will work this in the next step. So be ready to
How is it going? Nearly the school. All of the schools are closed, but the area right now is engineering in Google.
I mean, doing pretty fine for you.
Right now, schools are closed. Schools, but we have to some engineering developer.
The school was closed, but I have a kid.
Very good, very good. So, school of communication कर रहे हैं आज वहाँ. Good.
Thank you so much.
Girls, higher secondary school, Virudhunagar. Girls, are you enjoying the teaching?
Okay, let's proceed to the next step. I think all the students are ready for the next step. You all can show thumbs up where you are sitting. You can show me a thumbs up from there only. I'll be able to get it. Very nice. Yes, I can see that. Thank you. So let's go ahead with the next step. We are going to quickly prepare the front. So let's prepare the front of our vacuum cleaner. That is, now we need to have the dust chamber where we are going to collect everything, all the dust from the table, and we need to have the nozzle which can suck in all the dust from the table. Okay. So for that, let's do the very first step. You have to take your water cap and we want the dust to be collected from here, right? So we need to make a hole in this because without opening this section has to be airtight. So for being an airtight section, we have to just take this water cap and make a hole in this. You can again use your soldering iron and you can make a small hole in it and then we will make it a little bigger. I hope you all can see. I've made a small hole in this and slowly I can just touch it on the end and I can make it bigger. अब इस नेक्स्ट स्टेप के अंदर आप सबको आपकी फ्रंट पार्ट बनाने के लिए बॉटल कैप में एक होल करना है. अब ये होल इतना होना चाहिए कि इसमें से हमारी डस्ट इजीली कलेक्ट हो पाए. इतना छोटा भी ना हो कि इसमें से कुछ पास ही नहीं हो पा रहा. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर आपका होल जो है वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली इतना बन जाए. it easy? Okay. So like this, you need to do it. Coming to the next part, you all remember मैंने आप सबको एक suction pipe दिखाया था, एक plastic pipe. So this is the pipe which we are going to use it. We need to cut a small piece of it and we will fix it. The suction pipe is the next step which we need to fix it on your bottle cap. So just take a small piece of your suction pipe and fix it on your bottle cap. So how you are going to do it? We will simply use a little bit of glue gun over here and we will put our suction pipe over here in the front. You all can follow the same step with me. आप सब मेरे साथ follow कर सकते हैं. इस suction pipe को fix करने के लिए मैंने थोड़ी सी glue gun ली है. उस होल के आसपास मैंने उसे लगाया है and अपनी पाइप को मैंने यहाँ fix कर दिया है. अब जब हम glue gun use करते हैं, वो इतनी easily तो नहीं fix हो पाता. It doesn't fix so easily, right? The glue gun. So we'll wait for 5 seconds. You'll hold it properly and you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it will be done. It will not come out. So we are ready with the nozzle, the front part, which is going to do the maximum suction. I can see they are moving ahead, right? I can see students are really working in a much better speed and they have designed something. Okay. So if we are done with this, now you remember we had a mesh cloth. So we need to use that bandage and we have to cover this area, the dust collector section. So we need to have a filter. We will use this as a filter. हमने क्विकली अब क्या किया, एक पीस लिया हमारे बैंडेज का और उसको एज अ फिल्टर हमने अटैच कर दिया हमारे सेक्शन के अंदर. इस तरीके से आप टेप यूज कर सकते हो इसे फिक्स करने के लिए, बट मेक श्योर जब आप इसे फिक्स करोगे एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट आप कट कर लें एंड आपका सिर्फ इतना पोर्शन कवर्ड होना चाहिए एंड प्रॉपरली एयर टाइट होना चाहिए. लाइक एयर टाइट तो नहीं होगा बट हाँ, इसको प्रॉपरली आपने फिक्स करना है इस तरीके से. आई एम डूइंग इट विद द टेप, यू ऑल कैन ऑल्सो डू इट और यू कैन यूज एनी अदर मटीरियल. यू वांट टू यूज ग्लू गन यू कैन यूज, बट हम प्लास्टिक बॉटल यूज कर रहे हैं. वी आर यूजिंग अ प्लास्टिक बॉटल सो इट माइट मेल्ट. So carefully use a tape or the other material like this. You can roll out the tape and you can fix this over here. Extra jitna bhi hoga, you can cut it with the scissor. And we will be able to have the front part ready for our DIY vacuum cleaner. So this is what you need to prepare. So if you are all done with this, you can take 1 minute more to quickly do this step. And then we are going to do the final thing, which is fixing both the parts together and adding a battery to it. In case if you feel your nozzles are coming out just like me, you can also fix it. You can use a little bit more glue gun and you can fix it. I hope this much is clear to all. And we have both the parts. of our DIY vacuum cleaner ready. I can see everybody working really nicely. सब बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. Amazing, everyone.
Let's see what the schools are doing. CM Brian from Nagpur.
India International.
I think we can put somebody in spotlight and we can just have a look and we'll call out. Yes.
Hello?
We have Buddha Raja, Government High School.
Hello?
Enjoy
Mike.
Capital Bhubaneswar. Odisha power is now on the screen.
Hello. Hello.
Are you all able to do it? If you all can do it, you can just show us a thumbs up.
Yes.
Very nice. We can see a lot of thumbs up.
Jammu and Kashmir.
No, ma'am.
If you
Our
are ready.
project is completed.
Okay.
We are
That's
from
good.
DAV Model School CFRI.
PM Shri KV Amla, how's the tinkering?
We're from
Pata hai
DAV.
aapko?
So you all can show us the parts which you have designed so far. You can just show it on the screen. Very nice. We can see that. Shri KV Amla.
Could you listen? The school asked. Actually, our student divided in 3 teams, and 2 teams have done the work.
Very good.
Team
you,
Rise
ma'am.
from Alaska, Madhya Pradesh.
Excellent. Very good.
We are from DAV
So I can see Atal Community Innovation Center,
Our 2 projects
IIT,
have been done
have already made.
successfully, and one
Very
is
good.
in progress.
Good job. Jharkhand team. ACI.
Bharuch High School,
Excellent.
Alkapuri. Our student getting
in the front of camera.
DAV School, Vasant Kunj. How's the tinkering? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. We are from Delhi Public School, Patna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Government Girls School, Rajapalli.
Hi, ma'am. Next time, design innovation idea for student in all over India. We are participating in this celebration. Those are very excellent in performing in this draw vector item.
Suppose participant is Jaipur. You are decorating your innovation project.
सर किसी और को पट्टी वो चाहिए सर वो
Getting around. You're on getting partner.
Getting back to the activity, we see good progress everywhere. All the schools busy in tinkering activity में
So schools, let's continue with the next particular activity. Requesting everyone to please go on mute.
Hello, ma'am. We are from Ashka, Madhya Pradesh.
Very nice. The ones who are ready, that's really good to know that you have done it. Let's just quickly give instructions to all other teams, all other schools who are doing it with us. So now you have these two parts ready. The front part, nozzle part, to do the suction. We have the dust and the dirt collector area ready. And we have the circuit ready. We have to just put it together and we have to just tape it. Make sure this area is airtight enough. So we will use a little bit of tape and we will fix both the areas from here. So I'm doing it. You can do it simultaneously with me. There should not be any air leak in between. Otherwise, it is going to be very difficult for us to make this suction work. So when you're fixing it, just make sure it is properly fixed and there are no air leaks in between. जब आप अपना इसे फिक्स कर रहे हैं दोनों पार्ट्स को, तो एक चीज का ध्यान रखें कि हमारे इसके इन बिटवीन कहीं पे भी स्पेस नहीं होनी चाहिए या एयर लीक नहीं होना चाहिए कहीं से भी एयर बाहर नहीं आने चाहिए, जिससे कि वो सक्शन बनाने में अगर वो उसमें थोड़ा सा एयर लीक होगा तो सक्शन बनाने में वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा. So I have fixed it, the front part also, just to show you a differentiation. Yellow color के बीच में जहाँ मैंने black tape लगाई है, this is your fixing both the parts together. Now we need to fix the battery, but before that, do we use the vacuum cleaner like this? We hold it in the hand and we use it like this? No, I don't think so. We need to make a handle. Look at this. Is this better or this is better? Holding it in the hand and doing it. So everyone, just be on mute. I think we can just understand the steps and we can keep doing it. All the schools are requested to stay on mute. We'll just complete the instructions and then we will have a look at your models. So now we need to design the handle for our vacuum cleaner so that it is easier for us to make it work rather than just holding it like this and doing it, right? So let's just quickly prepare a handle for your circuit, the whole vacuum cleaner. So circuit is there, everything is ready, it's just the handle which is left. You can have a creative handle, use a little bit of cardboard and create a unique handle for your design, for your vacuum cleaner. So I have a rectangular piece, rectangular shaped one which has been cut. So I can fix it like this over here. You can have a different shape, you can have a unique design for yourself. And you can fix it over here. I think it's easy to do it. It's not that difficult and you all can have it. We will have a look at your model. So quickly start completing it, join both the parts together, add a handle, and then we will attach a battery to test it. That will be the final You can see, you all can see, my handle is also attached. अब मैंने अपने vacuum cleaner को एक handle भी दे दिया है, and I can hold it from here and I can use it. If you want to make your vacuum cleaner look a little more better, आप नीचे इसके लिए stands भी बना सकते हैं, so that it can stand still. We are not making it right now, but you can take some more time and you can complete that. Next step is you will attach your battery to the circuit and you are going to fix it to the bottle itself. If you have double-sided tape, you all can use double-sided tape also for fixing the battery. But make sure your vacuum cleaner is balanced, जहाँ पे आप उसे fix कर रहे हो. बैटरी का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना, बैटरी कोई Can we have a look at the schools now, that how much and what they have prepared? We'll just quickly have a look at them. This is what you all need to prepare. Amazing, very nice.
This is Subodh Public School from Jaipur. I really think you can see our screen where the students have created the models.
Which bed? Jammu and Kashmir. Have you seen your vacuum? Show us your vacuum cleaner. Nagarjuna Modern School, Kadapa. Are you done with your vacuum cleaner? So schools, now keep your vacuum cleaner ready. Bring your vacuum cleaner, keep it ready. In spotlight on you, we will showcase your tinkering activity today.
Yes.
PKL Jain Girls Senior Secondary School, आपका बन गया vacuum cleaner. From High Secondary School, Bijbehra, Jammu and Kashmir, very good, excellent.
Ma'am, Rukmini Devi Public School is here. Nodal Center, HL Party.
This is Subodh Public School. Hello. Hello.
This is Fatehgarh Higher Secondary.
Great job. Navratna Vidyani Vidyalaya Gujarat.
And they have completed making it.
Wow, very good. Capital High School, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Have you made your vacuum cleaner? Show us the vacuum cleaner. APS Noor Government School, Uttarakhand. Show us your vacuum cleaner. NK Orchid College.
Ma'am, we are from Denoble CFRI. Ma'am, model CFRI.
Please stand up, all students.
Ma'am,
You are at the spotlight. Yes, all of you, please stand up and show your model, whatever it is, the status. Take your model and show it to them, all of you.
ma'am, we are from model CFRI.
PKR Jain Girls School, very good. Zilla Parishad High School, Perambalur. Good, very good.
अच्छा एक और बात है जो बच्चे
Are you ready to go back to cleaner?
जो बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं
Ready and good.
Very public school, Patna. So much action. How many vacuum projects?
Hello.
Very public school, Patna.
बहुत सारे ज्वाइन हुए तो सेपरेट को नहीं बोला.
We are from Baroda High School, Algapuri, Baroda. We are ready with the prototype.
Very good.
The Subur Public School from Jaipur. We are ready with about 5 prototypes.
Ashwini Devi School, we are ready with our prototype. Show your prototype. Thank you.
School is also ready with their project.
This is completed and our 5 teams are almost ready with these vacuum cleaners. We had 22 students who participated in this to climb to class 12. But no one did it.
Teachers, schools, vendors, I suppose you will join this tinkering activity together.
Hi, Leah ma'am. This is Subur Public School from Jaipur. We are ready with our prototype.
So, okay, all of you ready with your prototypes now? I want all of you to create a reel with your prototypes. Take pictures, make and videos of your prototypes.
Baroda High School, Alkapuri, Baroda. We are ready with the prototype. We are showing on our camera.
Hi, Leah ma'am. This is Subur Public School.
I now request all of you to keep on mute. We are coming to the close of the session. We are wrapping up this activity. Thank you so much for your participation. This is not ending here. I request all of you to create reels, videos, photos of your prototypes and post it on your social media handles, on your website, and tag #Mega Tinkering Day, #Atal Innovation Mission Nidhi. Please make these reels and videos and photos and share it to the rest of India. Share it with everyone across the world. Everybody should see the power of India's young innovators coming together in the largest ever tinkering movement so far in the country and in the world. आप सब लोगों से विनती करती हूँ, आप लोग अपने अपने प्रोटोटाइप्स की फोटो लें, वीडियोस बनाएं, रील्स बनाएं और इसको सोशल मीडिया पर ताकि बाकी के भारतीय इसको देखकर प्रेरित हो, ताकि बाकी के लोग इंडिया में इसको देखकर इनोवेशन और टिंकरिंग में आज आप लोगों ने मिलकर कराएं। ये बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो आपने मिलकर मूवमेंट में भाग लिया है और इसको हमें आज तक पहुंचाना है हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का विजन था कि ये इंडिया एक विकसित भारत इंडिया डेवलप्ड बाय 2047। तो इस सपने को सच करने के लिए आप सबका ये एक योगदान रहा कि हम सब आज के टिंकरिंग फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं। इस नए एकेडमिक ईयर में टिंकरिंग की एक्टिविटीज हम चालू रखेंगे, हम जारी रखेंगे। ये पहली एक्टिविटी थी बट कई और एक्टिविटीज आती रहेंगी। मैराथन, स्कूल इनोवेशन मैराथन, टिंकरप्रेन्योर, एआई इम्पैक्ट फेस्टिवल और ऐसी कई और एक्टिविटीज आएंगी आपकी तरफ। हर स्कूल में मैंडेटरी पीरियड और एक ये करिकुलम ऑल्टरनेटिव है। मैं कहूँगी आप सब इसको फॉलो करें। हर महीने कई तरह की टिंकरिंग एक्टिविटीज करें, करिकुलम के चैप्टर्स करें जिससे आपको और फाउंडेशनल नॉलेज और टिंकरिंग और इनोवेशन के बारे में और पता चलेगा। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट to now start their tinkering journey in the entire academic year. You should do multiple tinkering activities every month. All schools need to have mandatory annual period wherever there is a tinkering lab, and you must follow the ATL curriculum and tinkering activity all 12 months of the year. There is some activity or the other, like the school innovation marathon, like Tinkerpreneur, AI Impact Festival, multiple other such initiatives which will keep coming your way, and we will do more of these mega tinkering days like we did today. So thank you so much for joining in and becoming a part of such a grand, big world movement of tinkering. Please share your photos, videos, reels on social media. Hashtag Mega Tinkering Day, hashtag Atal Innovation Mission. Let's have all Indian citizens and the world tinker starting today. You have started a great movement, a huge round of applause. I congratulate all the state officials, state nodal officers, district nodal officers, all the ATM teachers, mentors, all the volunteers on ground, interns, the Atal Innovation Mission team, Atal Tinkering Labs team, Shubham, Suman, Pradeep, Sumaya, Ashish, everyone who has been involved, Riddhi, who's on ground in the Atal Tinkering Lab, everyone who worked together to make this a grand success, all the mentors of change, the regional mentors of change, AIM, DPIL, support partners, Learning Link Foundation, many other partners like Dell, Shell, Daso, all of them have come together to help us in this movement today. And I thank all of you for creating such a grand tinkering movement. And I also want to thank Tinker Champs, our young team of ATL innovators who are Tinker Champs, who are actually helping design all the content for the tinkering labs. So thank you so much, Tinker Champs. And with that, we come to the close of this event. I want to show you what the AIM team, media team has made, and we are tinkering with you. We'll continue to tinker with you, and we will see you again very soon with another Mega Tinkering Day. Thank you for your participation. A huge round of applause to everyone. Prema for very well conducted tinkering activity and this session as a mentor. Thank you so much. With that, we want to announce that we have more than 9,400 schools, 9,400 plus schools who participated in this 1 hour, and more than 4 lakh students who were doing this tinkering activity together of creating a better year. So what better celebration of our 79th Independence Day than the young innovators of the country coming together and showing the world the power of India's innovation. Well done, everyone.
Abas.